Hey guys, it is Jordan from Monster Motoring, and I am here out in the cold for no reason. And I was just about to go back to work. I'm on my lunch break right now, but I just got this package that I've been expecting, and I realized is that lately this channel is almost like all just packages. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this package, and what this is, it's gonna really open up some opportunities for modding the Mustang, for all the plans we have in the future that you guys might have heard. So let's open it and let's show you guys what this is. So I found this listing from this guy on Facebook Marketplace. Just gonna open it up here. And he was selling something that I had before, but I sold before to make a profit. Now I'm actually going to be using it, and as soon as I open it all the way, I need to get myself a box cutter. Yeah, as soon as I open it, you guys can see what it is. So right now we have, see that it says Cobb on it right there. So we open it up. Alright, we open it up all the way. We have a nice Cobb sticker. I'm surprised that he had that within the packages. Very much thanks to that. Shout out to Cobb. Have this here, packaging. We have the plate for it. And lo and behold, we have the Cobb Accessport. So this right here is what we're going to be using to tune the Mustang. And honestly, it's been too long with the Ford Performance tune on this car so far. I have the wires in here, connect to the OBD, but yeah, honestly, I've had that car for about 2 years now, and having it on the Ford Performance tune, it's a good tune. It's just like it's a factory tune. It still changes parameters and whatnot, and it ups the boost, and it gives the car an added boost. It adds the up top power that it usually doesn't have, but it wasn't enough. I just recently joined a forum on Facebook called Let's Brace Some EcoBoost, and these people, I've never seen people go crazier in a forum before. Like, there's some crazy people out there, and I mean, I love all of them. They gave me some good advice, and I plan on taking all of it and just working with them to do what we have to do to make this Mustang as fast as possible, without hurting it or anything like that. So as you guys see, I have the car started off right there. See the lights flickering on it. So future videos to be made with the Accessport, but till now, I'm gonna leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Monster Motoring here, and I am up, and for some reason at home. They canceled class for me today at school, so figure I'd get some stuff done. I've been doing some maintenance on my car, on the Mustang, for a little bit, getting the motor running better, making sure it doesn't pop. But yeah, basically I did everything already. I changed all the lights and stuff. I did a tune-up on it, some little things, but we're gonna be doing the filter today. It's right there. So filter had to be special ordered because for some reason they make them so big. So yeah, so I'm gonna get started on that now. Alright, so getting right into this, I am going back to socket set and my 5/16. I don't know why the size is this for the clamp for the filter, but it is what it is. Ford's weird like that. Once we get a garage, it's gonna be a lot more organized, but until then, I gotta do this. It's outside my driveway and do this. Alright, so let me show you the inside of this and why I'm changing this filter. Alright, so that's the filter. It looks terrible. So let's see if this is on loosen. I think it's on loosen. Alright. No, that's tighten. Alright, let's get this done. I'm not taking out the housing. I don't have time for that. So we're just gonna shimmy this thing out of here. Oh, that's nasty. This is all the people with Cummins and Power Strokes that like to go and coal roll on me. That is not fun. Cars breathing in that. This is the new one compared to the old one, right there, and you can really see the difference. Yeah. And on Instagram I posted a picture of this. Did the fist test on it. You can fit about like 4 fists inside there, maybe 5. The decent sized fists. So we're gonna put this inside of here. Has the arrow, it says down right there. So if I don't think I'm able to do this with one hand. I feel bad. Actually, let me make sure the clamp is all the way. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna need my 2 hands, so I'm gonna prop you up somewhere, anywhere. I think there might work. Alright guys, look at this. Epic fail number 1. The clamp fell off of the entire thing. Like, it's in between there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh god. Alright. I can do this. Shouldn't be this hard, but I can do this. Alright guys. I had a little thing. My dad came, talked to him real quick. So, yeah. Changed the filter. And started the car. I'm letting it warm up. We're gonna do a quick test, see if all the restriction was basically stifling my car. So we're gonna see that real quick, and then we'll turn around and I'll bring it back. All right, so you guys have a view of what I see on the dashboard. So we'll do that now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop it in automatic. And I'll let it downshift for itself. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's running at really low boost. So I'm gonna have to take that up with my tuner. Because 18 is, especially in boost weather, my inlet temp is 52 right now. You know, accounting for a little variation, but that still shouldn't be happening. So I'm gonna go send some data logs to my tuner, and we're gonna see if he can fix that up real quick. What's up, guys? Short from Awesome Motoring here, and today I'm winterizing my car. So I have my stock rims here. They are 18s, 18 by 8s, and I had these tires on it since I got the car, and you know, the only thing is, since I got the car, I've had no grip, which is why I had to get these with the basically road racing wheels on here from Tire Streets, which have been amazing, and we're still developing the video for them. But you know, I got to do full-on testing. I can't do halfway testing. So I gotta put these in my car. I got snow tires for them, so we're gonna do that today. So let me get these in my car and try to show off. Interesting. Yeah, let me get these in my car and let's get this done. Just got here. They're gonna take these off and put on new wheels. Record the whole thing. Oh, got the wheels off. So this side here is so dirty. When we're doing the swap, this is all gotta be overhauled because this just looks nasty. Gotta get these liners replaced too. If they weren't like $500 each, that would have been done a long time ago. So, oh, first one was on, and thing looks like a monster truck tire. For everyone that's been telling me about fitment, this is about the closest I'm gonna get to good fitment in the winter. Oh jeez, it looks like literally like a truck tire. Oh man, that's funny. Well guys, I'm here. Can't remember if I said that before. And I'm looking at this car right now, and this car is turning into a monster truck. Alright, so as we see, my Summer's in the back there. Winter's up front. That is just, that's insane.